Import your picture. Now let's cut out the background, and to do so just follow these easy steps. Create a solid color layer and place it beneath the picture layer. Now create a gradient map layer. Don't forget to apply clipping mask. By doing so, the gradient map will only affect the picture. You can also press T on your keyboard to select the text tool. Select the font you want and let's get into it. Now let's add some grains. There is a short tutorial on how to add grains below, don't forget to check it out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.